In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x8007139f. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. How we can do that? At a keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In this way, you'll be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button to continue. So wait until this would be done, okay? And once you have completed the procedure, try to check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is you need to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. So by that, navigate at the search box, please type for Store. Once you have typed that, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store. And from here, make a right click and you need to go with App Settings. Click on it. Under the app settings, you need to scroll down and find for repair and reset. So please click this too. Click on repair and click on reset. Once you have completed all of this procedure, once it marked checked here, you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the error has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.